Hi dear students and viewers, how many languages are spoken in the world today? If you think how many languages are spoken in the world today, if I will ask you which one is the most important language in these languages, so the answer is more than 2500 languages are spoken in the world, but English is the most important and is a global language. So, how can you improve your spoken English? It is a very simple method. It has some important points which I want to discuss in this video. So, sit back and relax. Watch till the end and you will learn how to improve your spoken English with me in this video. Here are some examples which I want to discuss with you and you can improve your fluency in English. There are four main skills which every language need. For example, listening, speaking, reading and writing. But the most important two skills, listening and speaking. So now in today's video I want to discuss and I want to share some important points about English language. How can you improve your spoken English? If you want to speak English fluently, confidently, and without fear, then this video is perfect for you. Today, we will practice simple and useful English speaking that you can use in your daily life. Remember one thing, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometime. So relax, listen carefully and repeat after me when you can. Why English speaking is important? English is an international language. People all over the world speak English. When you speak English well, you can get a better job, study abroad, travel easily, watch movies without subtitles, talk to people from different countries. English gives you confidence and more opportunities in life. But many students say, I understand English, but I can't speak. If you feel the same, don't worry, you are not alone. The problem is not your intelligence, the problem is lack of patience and practice. One big mistake learners make is thinking in their native language faster. For example, you think in another language, then translate into English and then speak. This makes speaking slow and confusing. Try to think directly in English. Start with simple sentences like I am happy, I am tired, I am learning English. Even if your sentences are simple, it's okay. Simple English is powerful English. Now let's practice some daily English sentences. You can use these sentences at home, in school, or with friends. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am learning English. Can you help me, please? Thank you so much. You are welcome. Practice these sentences every day. The more you repeat, the more confident you become. Many learners feel nervous when speaking English. They think people will laugh at me. My grammar is wrong. My pronunciation is bad. Let me tell you something important. Nobody is perfect. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. If people understand you, your English is good. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak with confidence. Confidence becomes more practice from more practice, not from perfection. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, you heard it right. Talk to yourself in English when you wake up. Say, today is a beautiful day. I will practice English today. When you eat food, say, I am having breakfast. This food is delicious. When you go to bed, say, I am tired. It's time to sleep. This habit will improve your English very fast. Learn English from daily life. You don't need expensive courses to learn English. You can learn English from your daily routine, your surroundings, your thoughts. For example, if you see the sky, say, the sky is blue. If it is raining, say, it is raining today. If you feel happy, say, I feel happy today. Use English everywhere. Make English a part of your life. Let's talk about some common mistakes. Don't say, he goes to school. Say, he goes to school. Don't say, I am angry. Say, I agree. Don't say, she don't like tea. Say, she doesn't like tea. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn faster. Improve your pronunciation. Pronunciation is important, but don't stress too much. Listen to English. YouTube videos, movies, English songs. Repeat with what you hear. Pause the video. Repeat the sentence loudly. Your pronunciation will improve step by step. Let me remind you again, practice is the key to success. Speak English every day, even 10 minutes a day is enough. Be patient, be consistent, and never give up. Fluency does not come in one day, but if you practice daily, you will see improvement very soon. I believe in you. If others can speak English, you can speak English too. Your accent is not a problem. Your mistakes are not a problem. The only problem is not trying. So start today. Start now. Speak English with confidence. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like this video, comment below, share with friends. Subscribe to English with Amen for more English speaking practice. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep speaking English. Bye bye.